776. Let's fucking go. Okay, so in const macros by system in the pig-tile constants, we have this sm3 to mxy. So we're going to take the sm3 value, and we're going to convert it to the selection region for the pixels that matter, for the glyphs that matter that we want to stamp. Now, this is very terse, so we have an explanation where we broke it down a little bit, where we put some underscores between things. So an SM3 of 1, 2, or 3 converted to these inclusive pixel bounds right here. That's how you want to read that. Okay, let's go down to the next section. Okay, data by system. Inside of the pig-tile top-level data section, we have this stuff that matters. And you see that we've taken all of these constants and we've stripped off the namespace and put them into here because we're about to fill out some lookup tables. So down here is a lookup table that takes SM3 and converts it to the minimum and maximum X selection region and the minimum and maximum Y selection region for the rasterization region for a glyph we want to stamp on the 128 by 128 pixel region. So this is the first record for SM3 equals 0, second record for SM3 equals 1, and then the third and final record for SM3 equals 2. Okay, let's go down to the next section. Okay, so all the way at the bottom of the same section that we're already in, stuff that matters, let smoke. This is a smoke test. So we're going to take this unruly lookup table and alias it to this, and then we're going to loop through every single SM3 value, 0 to 3 minus 1 inclusive, and we're going to extract the selection region, the inclusive selection region, by multiplying SM3 by a stride of 4, because there's 4 columns per record, and then the relative offset 0, 1, 2, and 3 to the X minimum and maximum and the Y minimum maximum. We're going to calculate the width and height of the selection region here. And then we're going to make sure that our selection is not out of bounds of a 128 by 128 pixel region. And we're also going to make sure that our selection region is exactly 32 by 32 pixels. Okay, here's what I did previously, and then footnotes and stuff. And if you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. We don't have time where we are. Like and subscribe. I am so out of time.